cannot pronounce the other name. I just call him Mudhomi. It's a Tharaka name, Vionkori. I never heard of the name. He's from my neighborhood, but that is, he did very well along with Zain here and Professor Adams. From here, Your Excellency, just proceed. Just give us a final product, and the country will settle. And as I said, the difficult issues, as we speak here, their family is mourning. We could not even get a place to hold a prayer service for the killed, for the young men who lost their lives. And they had to come up to my secretariat. We pretended we can have a church service there, because the churches there would not touch us. Right? And of course, the issue of Kimani was very eloquent on destroyed property and reparations. So you may have to think of a commission between you and your brother and see how best we can actually deal with this matter of grieving Kenyans. Grieving, they don't understand what happened. All they know is they lost their loved ones. And so that's a matter you consort. Principle of concurrence, discussion, concurrence, I'm sure is not a difficult one. But then, finally, Kimani Ichung'wah was very kind to Raila. He actually announced to him, and I believe he was doing it, repeating what he already knows, that President William Ruto is campaigning for Raila to become the AU chairperson. This is a matter that puts all of us together as a country. And we are very proud of that situation. And so, without much ado, can we now move to the next thing, Apio? Yeah, thank you. I think you can make your comments after we give you the document.